Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear all the app data and the cache on your iPhone. Now, inevitably, certain apps tend to gobble up tons of data and balloon to over 1 gigabyte in size. I'm going to show you how to delete out all of that cache and data. The first thing that you can do on your iPhone is to tap on the App Store. Within the App Store, we can clear the cache by tapping on your profile at the top right. Tap on Personalized Recommendations at the bottom. Tap on Clear App Usage Data. Clear the app usage data stored on this device. Tap on Clear App Usage Data and then tap it on again. Now you've deleted out all of that. Let's also delete it out for individual apps. So hop out here, and one option is there are a number of different apps that have the ability to clear the cache within that app, like TikTok, Telegram, YouTube, Spotify, Google Chrome, Safari, and CapCut. I'm not going to walk you through those, but you can clear the app cache within certain apps, but most apps don't allow you to do that. So there is a second option to be able to do that. Tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and here you'll be able to see all of the apps on your iPhone ranked in terms of size. You can see on some of these apps, like TikTok, it takes up 1.4 gigabytes worth of data. If I tap on it, you can see I can tap Offload this app and tap Offload app. And then immediately afterwards, tap Reinstall app. Essentially what this does is it clears out all of the cache and temporary files. It doesn't log you out of the app or cause any issues on the app. If you do have drafts, however, on that app, it might delete out those drafts. Now, after we've done that, let's tap on another app like Roblox, tap Offload app, and then immediately tap on Reinstall app. Essentially, go through this list. Unfortunately, there's no way to be able to do this across all of the apps, but I usually choose the apps that are the largest, just offload them and reinstall them, and that will delete out all of the cache data and information on that app. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check this video out to my right. I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks, guys.